Assalamu alaikum. I'm having this glasses so I can lay back far away from the laptop's display so I can see what's showing there. Well, I forgot half of the message with these glasses. Because if I would have these glasses all day long, they tried these glasses when I was in elementary school. Maybe to make me stupid. But normally I don't you put it on. But last 2 weeks I've been putting on so I can relax because my eyesight is getting a little bit less and less. But what did I hear? I don't remember. But one thing I can remember is this girl. This girl look alike. Not this one, but this girl look alike. Shown to me and speaking halfly to Jesus. When I showed him, I don't know, the message is pretty unclear. As people are bugging around, I don't remember it anymore. What is it? But it was just shut down after saying, could have picked her. I mean, but it's not. It didn't look completely like her. This is don't know. Don't know about the message. There was a little bit conversation. The thing comes in your head like, and boom, and you make something and then you show, yeah, and then you show, I don't know, and it goes like that. But this girl is very beautiful. This is a very beautiful girl. I don't because these satellites can make me forget stuff. You know, when me sleeping, if dream something, then when I open eyes, when eyes closed, then forgot everything. What was the message? There are a few words about that, but the thing is, I just like this girl. This type of girl. I mean, not this girl because I just saw this girl. Now I had to pick some girl. What I saw, I could only remember that. I saw this girl. She was not bad. She's not bad. She's not. Oh sure. She's very good looking. Probably won't remember what said and reply and this and that. What was it? But new message. Just don't like. It's not prepared for two people, two women in front of him interacting. Do you want to join us or so those things? Because he said he heard him once say. Me first said. Me Musa Murshid said to him. It goes very fast, not so full talking. But he said, if in paradise would give to the guys I'm doing the alcohol from the alcohol river in paradise. Allah said in Quran, Surah Al Muhammad, that alcohol you will be drinking. And he said, would make the guys I'm doing their drink that stuff because I used to laugh also, but now I can also laugh maybe without alcohol also. But Jesus then it was 6 months ago. Jesus said, would rather like to give to tell the woman, take this alcohol, this pure alcohol. The alcohol in paradise is it's better than the alcohol here. Ruma goes, But he said, Jesus replied with, would let the woman put the alcohol in her mouth and don't let her swallow and then spit it out. So he want to learn the girl a bit more. But we have other ways. Oh, how don't know what I just said. What I said, just said that forgot. But I could remember that 6 months ago because with these glasses, it's far away. I can look at the laptop, but it makes me forget. Because probably not natural. I see everything a bit lighter and those things, but from far away, I need sometimes I need to lay back on my spinal cord. They say in Holland we have a better word, rug. We call it all the rug on the couch. We chill out on those things. From far away, see this what is showing. It's not about these guys. These guys I can see without that glasses, but the little texts written here or what I'm writing from far away. It's difficult for me these days to see it. But want to tell about the story what just you had the conversation with him, but forgot it. So, but this black haired kind of girl showed before the message ended. But that was it for this video. Salam alaikum.